Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a simple yet exciting update on how to like a story on Instagram using your PC. If you're someone who enjoys engaging with stories but prefers the convenience of a desktop, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open Instagram in your preferred web browser. Go to Instagram.com and log into your account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to sign up before you can interact with stories. Once you're logged in, navigate to the story you want to like. You can find stories at the top of your feed, where circular profile pictures represent users who have recently posted. Click on the profile picture of the user whose story you'd like to view. This will open their story in full screen. Now that you're viewing the story, look for the like icon. This is typically represented by a heart symbol located at the bottom of the screen. Click on this icon to register your like. It's a quick and easy way to show your appreciation for someone's content without leaving a comment. Remember, liking stories is a great way to engage with your friends and favorite creators on Instagram, even when you're on your computer. This feature enhances your interaction and allows you to stay connected without needing to grab your phone. And there you have it. Liking stories on Instagram from your PC is straightforward and allows for seamless engagement with your favorite content. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy liking.